Hey guys, I'm just gonna journal something here. We are gonna plant potatoes and we are gonna experiment with some patterns of cutting the potatoes before planting them. I have three kinds of potatoes here. These two are actually seed potatoes that we got from the store, and these were some regular grocery potatoes that we got and saw some sprouts. So we are gonna experiment it this time. These are fingerling potatoes, Magic Mali one. They appear to be violet in color when they grow, and these are French fingerling one, red potatoes. So we are hoping that these ones they already have good sprouts. These are actual seed potatoes.
How much does it cost?
Around $4. Both these are around $4 for these many. So what? Seven pieces for $4. And these are regular grocery potatoes. So, all right. So we are not since these sprouted, we are gonna plant them, but we are not. We don't know if they'll really grow up or anything because they are not seed potatoes per se. They just sprouted, but these are seed potatoes. Now, this experiment is in cutting the potatoes before planting them. There are different opinions on how to plant potatoes. Some say that just go ahead and plant the whole thing, and they have their pros and cons on that. And some say that to get the maximum, you cut the potatoes into several pieces before you plant them. Each piece having at least 2 to 3 eyes. So this time we are going to experiment cutting these ones. I'm not going to cut these. I'm just going to plant them as such. So yeah, so this is my first one. I see that they have multiple sprouts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna cut this way. All right, and see how it goes. Okay, nice clean cut. So yeah, so I'll plant this, then I'll plant this. This is my second one, again another red fingerling one. So I'm gonna cut it this way so that I'll have these two in one sprout and this in another piece.
So what it is said is you need to keep these for air drying so that before you plant, at least 3 to 4 days before, you need to cut it and keep it so that there will be a leathery shine. Instead of this wet surface, it's going to be a leathery surface in 3 to 4 days, and that's would prevent it from getting rotted. And that's the reason why we need to do this beforehand. If you are planning, you don't have time and you want to plant it right away, the next best alternative is to put some sulfur around this so that it's basically protecting it from any fungus or any rotten getting rotten. So that's where we are. This looks very pretty and it's supposed to be very, very tasty potatoes, and this is our first time we are trying this, and we'll see how it turns around.
So I'm gonna cut this, have some ice here, so I'm gonna cut it this way. So these are purple in color inside, and yeah, so we are gonna let it I'm gonna cut all these things, but these are just for journaling purposes. So we are gonna let it dry for a couple of days so that this portion, the fresh cut actually that part
Get sealed.
yeah, sealed and healed before we put it in the soil. All right,
Cool.
yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.
We'll be posting more updates on how it grew and how the experience went, and so stay tuned. Bye bye.